My name is Lekkha. My metric number is 01DFI24F1017. Today I want to present about current account of mBank and Maybank. First, the definitions of current accounts. A current account is a type of bank account used for everyday transactions such as deposit, withdrawals, payments. Usually the interest very low. And it also offers features like checkbooks, debit cards, and overdraft. Feature and benefit of mBank Basic Current Account and Maybank Basic Current Account. mBank Basic Current Account, internal deposit for mBank is 500, minimum balance is 500, mBank have MBPS network. Benefit is lower minimum balance, help avoid monthly fee. Second, access to mBank branches and MBPS ATM network. Third, online secure for fund transfer, payment, bill pay. Fourth is individuals or small business with basic needs. Second is Maybank Basic Current Accounts. Internal deposit for Maybank is 5,000, minimum balance is 1,000. Maybank have wide network. Benefit is higher minimum balance. Second, access to Malaysia largest branch and ATM network. Third, Maybank to you advanced future line investment QR Pay. Fourth, higher transaction user for those who need premium feature. Next is eligibility. Eligibility for mBank Basic Current Account, minimum age is 18 years old and above. Minimum internal deposit is 500. Nationality is Malaysians. Introducers are not required, can open the account independently. For Maybank Basic Current Account is age need to 18 years old and above, residency Malaysian citizens and permanent residents. Introducers is document required such as primary documents and supporting documents. Requirement for mBank Basic Current Account is Malaysian citizens need valid My Cards. Non-Malaysian residents need valid passports, valid work permits or visa, and proof of residence in Malaysia. For Maybank Basic Current Account is Malaysian needs original My Cards, valid driving license, utility bills such as water, electricity, telephone with your name and address, and letter of employment. Next is fee and charges for mBank Basic Current Account and Maybank Basic Current Account. mBank Basic Current Account annual fee is 8 ringgit, half yearly service charge 10 ringgit if the average balance is below 1,000, account closure within 3 months 20 ringgit, return check is 100, uncollect checkbook is 30 ringgit per book. For Maybank Basic Current Account, annual fee is 8 ringgit, service charge is 10 ringgit every 6 months, account closure within 3 months is 20 ringgit, ATM card issuance is 12 ringgit, MEPS intern bank ATM is 1 ringgit per transaction. Next one is terms and conditions of mBank Basic Current Account. First is account closure. The bank reserves the right to close account with zero balance or those that are inactive for a prolonged period. Second is amendments. mBank may amend the terms and conditions with notice to account holders. Third is compliance. Account holder must comply with all applicable law and regulations. Next is Maybank Basic Current Account. First is account maintenance. No minimum balance is required to maintain the account. Third is service charges. A half-yearly service charge of 10 ringgit applies if the average balance falls below 1,000. Third, early account closure. A fee of 20 ringgit is charged if the account is closed within 6 months of operation.
Hi, today I want to talk about something useful. It's about a saving account. What is saving account? A saving account is a place where you can keep your money safe at a bank. When you put money in, the bank gives you little extra money called interest because they a bank will invest our money to get interest just for keeping it there. It's a smart way to save our things like emergency, future plans, or just to have some money set aside. Why it's helpful? Here why a saving account is a good idea. It's safe, your money is protected, you earn a little extra, the bank pay you interest, it's easy to use, you can put money in and take it out when you need it. In short, a saving account helps you keep your money safe and grow it over time. It's a great first step to be smart with your money. Here I will talk about bank saving accounts. Banks have two main options. It was basic saving account and envelope savings account. For the basic saving account, it has online and ATM access through online and pay RM8 per year for unlimited ATM and counter transactions. For envelope saving account, interest is calculated daily, paid monthly, no annual fees, and unlimited counter withdrawals. For Maybank savings account, Maybank offer a few saving accounts. The main one are basic savings account. It has interest at 0.25% to 0.30% per year interest. No monthly fees if you keep at least RM20 and 8 free ATM withdrawals each month. Free online banking via Maybank to you. Savers I. It was second savings account. For Maybank to you Savers I, it has Sharia compliance or we know as Islamic banking. Next, we have profit rates from 0.20% up to 1.00%. Next, fully online account opening and management. So next, I will talk about who can apply for mBank. For basic account, at least 12-year-olds and above. For mVault account, 80 years old and above. For Maybank, you can apply. For basic account, it's for Malaysians or PRS, 20 years old and above. Next, for Savers I, anyone 80 years old and above with Maybank to you. For requirements, mBank, RM20 to open their accounts. For Maybank requirements, start with RM20, keep at least RM20 in the account. For the fee, mBank will charge RM8 yearly fee for the basic account and no fee for the envelopes account. For Maybank, they will charge a fee 50 cents for extra ATM withdrawal after the free 8 time withdrawal, or we can pay RM8 per year for unlimited withdrawal And next, 5 ringgit for using the counter for thing you can do online. Next, 20 ringgit if you close the account within 3 months.
A personal loan is a type of unsecured loan that allows individuals to borrow money from a bank or financial institution for personal use without needing to provide collateral like a house or car. Key features of a personal loan is, first, purpose can be used for anything such as education, medical expenses, wedding, travel, home, renovation, or the others. Second, loans amount usually range from 5,000 to 200,000 depending on the lender and your income. Third, tenure or repayment period is typically from 1 to 10 years. Type of personal loans in Malaysia have two. First, conventional personal loan based on interest charge, and two, Islamic personal financial based on Sharia principle, use profit rate and concept like tawarruk, either flat rate or reducing balance rate. Islamic personal loans also use profit rate based on Sharia principle. First, I will start with features and benefits. First, mBank Personal Financial is have high payout with no at-one installment, up to 99.5% payout with competitive pricing and financing up to 200,000. Second, no guarantor and collateral required. Third, no monthly membership fee. Second, Maybank Islamic Personal Financial is an easy and convenient application because can access from the MAE app. Second, this personal loan also have a fast approval applicable for customer with their salary credited directly to their Maybank account. Monthly payment for this type of personal loan is as low as 102.78 cents per month. It's also no guarantor and collateral required. Next, I will go through eligibility for these two types of personal loans. First, mBank Personal Financing It's provided to Malaysian citizens aged between 80 and 60 years, depending on the retirement age at maturity of the financing. Second, it's provided for permanent position worker for not less than 3 months. And gross income for this type for this type of personal loan is gross income not less than 1,500 ringgit. Second, Maybank Islamic Personal Financing provide to Malaysian citizen aged between 21 and 60 years. It's also depending on the retirement age at maturity of the financing. For the permanent position, this provide for worker that have the permanent position for not less than 6 months. Finally, for gross income, they should have gross income not less than 2,000 ringgit Malaysia. Next, we will go to requirement that needed for both of personal loans. First, mBank Personal Financing they needed application form, photocopy of an RIC, and one latest pay slip. Second, for Maybank Islamic Personal Financing we must provide them application form include supporting document, photocopy of NRIC, and verifications. The verification have two types of verification. First, income verifications. Upload any one of the verification that I listed. First, latest EA form or statement of remuneration from employment. Second, latest BE form with official tax receipt. Next, latest 3-month saving account activity or current statement. Second, for business verification, for the people that have business or own business, first is copy of business registrations, and second, income verifications. Upload any one of income verification for business verifications. First, latest B form with official tax receipt, and second, latest 6 months bank statement. Next, I will go through fee and charge for the both of personal loan. First, mBank Personal Financing I. For stamp duty, 0.5% of total financing amount as per Stamp Act 1949. Second, for wakalah fee is RM50 for Islamic financial product. Third, early statement. For the early statement, there are no penalty, may be entitled to a rebate. Next, about the processing fee, usually waived but may vary in promotion. So here it means it will up to the promotion that have for the month. Next, for Maybank Islamic Personal Financing, first for the stamp duty, same as a mBank personal loan, 0.5% of total financing amount. Second, wakalah fee is between 30 ringgit to 50 ringgit, or it will may vary, depends on the promotions. Third, for early settlement, it's also no penalty, eligible for rebates. And finally, it's about processing fee for the Maybank Islamic personal loans is no processing fee because it is a standard for Islamic product. Lastly, we will go through terms and conditions for personal loan. First, mBank Personal Financing I, minimum financing amount is 5,000 and maximum financing amount is 200,000. The tenure is between 2 to 10 years. For the Sharia compliance, it's based on tawarruk concept for the Islamic financing and repayment method. Monthly installment via salary deductions, auto debit or manual payment. For the financing approval for mBank is subject to credit assessment and internal policy. Second, lastly, for Maybank Islamic Personal Financing I, this is minimum financing amount is 5,000 also, but for the maximum financing amount it's just 100,000. The tenure is between 2 to 6 years. For the Sharia compliance, it's also based on tawarruk concept, and repayment method is monthly installment via salary deduction, auto debit or manual payment. The customer will choose any of them. Lastly, for financial approval is subject to Maybank credit policy and documentations. That's all from me for personal loan of Maybank for mBank personal loan financing I, and also for Maybank Islamic personal loan financing I. Thank you.
Conclusions, we choose for current accounts is Maybank because it has the best overall reputation, strongest online banking, Maybank to you, MAE, widest ATM branch network, and better customer support. It's especially useful if you do a lot of digital transactions or want convenience anywhere in Malaysia. For saving account, we choose mBank because some mBank accounts like the True Saver account offer up to 4.00%, which is significantly higher than what Maybank offered. Even their more basic account like mGenius and eFlex give better return if you can maintain a decent balance. Last one is personal loan. When comparing personal loans between Maybank and mBank, the better opinion depends on your income level, loan amount, and repayment preference. Thank you.